Check on your weather now with meteorologist Sophia. Bliss. Well, certainly not an eclipse yesterday. The sun was in full view and it was amazing, Sophia.
So nice. But Justin, if you're interested in going to the eclipse, I'm happy to take a road trip with you, but it's going to be in the eastern third of the U.S., kind of through Dallas, a little bit north and arching that way towards the eastern third. So it's not going to be directly in our neighborhood, but if you're down for a trip, then I'll go with you. So 55 degrees right now in Boise, certainly warmer than what we have been seeing the past few weeks. You can see that temperature is actually similar to Los Angeles and parts of the southeast. They're warming up a little bit more now, but pretty close to Memphis, which the southeast and the eastern coast have had a lot of the heat over this winter, so we're almost on tap with them right now. So here's why that is. We have this high pressure ridge that's building in the region, and it's pumping in that warm air from the southwest into the area, so that's why we're getting these very warm temperatures. But there are going to be some changes on the way. This low pressure center is going to drop down into our area, and then we start to see that cooler air and more instability start to work its way in. So when we see that happens, that means we're going to see temperatures drop and we have chances of precipitation. But right now, that precipitation is staying limited to the more northwest areas from here because that's closer to the low pressure center as it is right now. So for today, we're expecting mainly dry conditions. It'll be certainly breezy at times through today, especially in those afternoon hours. Then tomorrow, we do have a chance of seeing some light showers in valley spots, but mainly concentrated chances in those northwest areas. And some of the mountains are going to expect to see a little bit of snow tomorrow, broadly 1 to 3 inches in some of those areas, but it'll be pretty limited as that moisture works its way on out of the area. So today will be breezy and sometimes gusty in the afternoon hours, and that's going to be the similar picture for tomorrow as well. So you can see today we're expecting gusts of up to 35 miles an hour, and we'll see something similar in the afternoon tomorrow. So just know that yes, the temperatures are going to be really warm today, but we'll also have those breezy conditions as well. So for Magic Valley areas, it's going to stay a little bit closer to the lower 70s, maybe mid 70s for some spots. But over in the mountains, closer to 60 degrees, which means we will see some snow starting to melt because we're well above freezing. Over in McCall, the high is expected to be 59 degrees, 63 for Donnelly. And again, over in valley locations, we're expecting more of those breezy conditions. This is not a wind situation where it's going to start to be damaging, but it will certainly be noticeable for you. And yes, we are expecting a high of 79 degrees today for Boise. We are approaching the record for the state. The record high is 80 degrees for the state, so we are 1 degree short. So if we warm up just a little bit more, then we'll be breaking that record. Then Tuesday is when we start to see that cool down happening as that low pressure starts to work its way in with the instability and the moisture. And then we cool down even more as that cold air starts to work its way in on Thursday and Wednesday. And then Friday, we start to see a little bit more warming and then warmer for the weekend. Justin?
Cannot wait. Today looks amazing. Sophia, thank you.